A new program in Scotland is looking to reduce the amount of methane emitted by cows. Cows produce methane when they belch during digestion, causing significant emission of a greenhouse gas more powerful than carbon dioxide. One Scottish professor says he's learned that some cows produce much more than others. He says by selectively breeding cows that have the right digestive biology, methane emissions can be significantly reduced.
I think that we are reducing methane by 50%.
50%?
Yes.
Environmental scientists say the costs of beef production outweigh the nutritional benefits.